The thinking behind the garden and the whole ethos really has been around providing a safe place for staff to come. So it was born out of the pandemic, and with everything that my colleagues went through in the hospital and all of the clinicians went through in the hospital during the 2 years of the pandemic, I think it's really pushed staff wellbeing to the forefront of people's minds.
So gardening is important, I think, for overall physical and mental well-being, but a garden in a hospital, that's essential. I think partly for the staff, it's a way to bring different departments together and people together that wouldn't necessarily meet each other, and brings the hospital together. There's a sense of belonging when you come together as a garden. It's something that unites us all, but also for our patients and our community groups.
What I do is I supervise people with dementia and their carers to get involved in the activities that are happening in the garden. So we do some gardening, we do some walks around the garden, we do some wildlife talks. It's such a welcoming group. So someone with dementia can come along, they can leave the diagnosis at home and hopefully feel included and equal, and hopefully it's a bit of a break from the day-to-day diagnosis.
Having people gardening together side by side, you end up talking, and it's almost therapeutic being able to connect and learn about each other's lives and life stories and what's brought us here, and the gardening that connects us. So it's something that really brings us all together.
It's therapeutical, and it's relaxing, and it's healing. And the thing is, coming from the COVID, it's nice to have a place where you can calm down and relax and think about what's really going on, what you're experiencing, and it gives you time to minister to yourself and take in the change in life and how everything happens.
I can walk down, so I get my exercise and learning lots of things as we're going along. It's a nice little sort of social group as well, because my partner works, so it can get quite isolating, if you don't talk to anyone all day. So, and it's lovely to see people come through the garden and ask what's going on, and this is future. So, and next year there'll be even more in it, so it'll be wonderful.
This is here now to stay, and I can just see ahead of us just lots of fantastic programming and workshops and different activities that are going to be taking place because this garden exists.